Dear students, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see 6th standard science second term unit 2 electricity part 1. So first we move to electricity introduction. We use electricity in our day-to-day life for various purposes. Our day-to-day works are made easier and the world is in our hands with the help of electricity. Electricity uses ranges from smaller battery that operates a remote control car to huge motor power ships and trains. So electricity operates light, it runs refrigerators, kitchen appliances and power motors. So electricity is very important in our life. Next, source of electricity. Any device from which electricity is produced is called the source of electricity. We get electricity from different sources. The major power stations in Tamil Nadu are thermal power stations is located in Neyveli in Kudalur district, Ennur in Tiruvallur district. Number 2, hydel power stations is located in Mettur in Salem district and Papanasam in Tirunelveli district. Number 3, atomic power stations, Kalpakkam in Kanjipuram district, Kudankulam in Tirunelveli districts. Number 4, windmills in Aralvai Mori in Kanyakumari district and Kayatharu in Tirunelveli district. Apart from solar panels which are prevalent in many places are used to produce electricity. Number 1, thermal power stations. In thermal power station, the thermal energy is generated by burning coal, diesel or gas is used to produce steam. The steam thus produced is used to rotate the turbine. While the turbine rotates, the coil of wire kept between the electromagnet rotates. Due to electromagnetic induction, electricity is produced. Here, heat energy is converted into electrical energy. Number 2, hydel power stations. In hydel power station, the turbine is made to rotate by the flow of water from dams to produce electricity. Here, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. Hydel stations have long economic lives and low operating cost. Number 3, atomic power station or nuclear power station. So how does nuclear power works? Each and every objects are made up of atoms. Atoms are the basic building blocks of all kinds of objects. The nuclear energy is stored in the nucleus, the center of an atom. To release this energy, power plants split the nuclear particles into smaller parts. As a result, the energy is released as heat. This heat is used to boil water to make steam. Then the steam is passed to a huge generator. The generator makes electricity. Afterwards, the steam goes down and the turn back to water. Number 4, windmills. In windmills, wind energy is used to rotate the turbine to produce electricity. Here, kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. Next, we move to cell. A cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called a cell. Types of cell. Depending on the conductivity of flow of electric current, cells are classified into two types. They are primary cells and secondary cells. Primary cells, they cannot be recharged, so they can be used only once. Hence, the primary cells are usually produced in small sizes. Example, cells used in clocks, watches and toys etc. are primary cells. Number 2, secondary cells. A cell that can be recharged many times is called secondary cells. These cells can be recharged by passing electric current. So, they can be used again and again. Example, secondary cells are used in mobile phones, laptops, emergency lamps and vehicle batteries etc. For the next video, we will discuss battery types, circuits, circuit types. Thank you. Have a nice day.